So this year is our first year growing turmeric and ginger, and we kind of got our frost a little bit early, a month earlier than we normally get for the zone 8A. So in this video, we're going to do a turmeric and ginger harvest for 2019, and we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube gardeners? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video, we're going to show you how we're going to harvest our turmeric and our ginger that we grew in these fabric containers. This is our first year growing these, so we didn't know exactly how to grow. We just basically put some soil in, cover up the turmeric and the ginger about 4 to 6 inches from the top layer, and then covered up some more with some soil, and just basically kept it real nice and moist, for the simple fact that these plants are more of a tropical plants, so they want to be moist and have the environment nice and humid and hot. So it's kind of hard to grow these when you're further north that you go, but I've seen it done if you have a greenhouse and you have capabilities of controlling your environment. But this is our first year growing it, so we're gonna, since the frost came a little bit early, we're gonna try to see what these are, and then we're going to wash it and prepare some to keep, and store the other parts for next year. So let's get growing. So what we're going to do, we're just going to dump this out. Alright, so we didn't get too bad of a turmeric harvest, however it could have been better. So what we're going to try now to see how we did on our ginger. So, Sage, you want to get out the way? All right, so now we're just going to take these over to the drying station, wash them down, and let them kind of get all the dirt off of there. And then later on, we'll bring them inside and store them in a nice, cool, dark place. All right, so we got these beauties all washed. Now we're just going to let them dry. Once they get completely dry, we're going to bring them inside into a nice dry area. And then we're probably going to save some of these turmeric. We did an excellent job on the ginger. Turmeric, it'll get there. Like I said, this is our first time growing it, so we're going to see how we can improve our method of growing these. Maybe add some more bone meal or some type of phosphorus to where these roots and rhizomes can actually grow out a little bit better. Not sure why this didn't take off as well as the ginger, but I'm happy for our first time growing. I can't complain. What about you, baby? You like that?
I'm super excited about the ginger. Like, I have so much plans for that ginger. It is my favorite go-to now to just grate over some soup, and especially in this colder weather, I'm like really digging the ginger.
And this was our this wash dry rack came really in handy, especially for doing stuff like this.
And he sure complained about making it for me.
Yes, I did.
Mm-hmm.
But it did help. So if you weren't interested how we did this, we'll put a card above here. Well, I hope you like this video. If so, make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't done so already and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, we do a lot of garden tips. We'll put a playlist above here of what we do out through the garden. Until the next video, let's grow together.